Hello everyone, Leslie McDonnell here with Remax Select Properties. Today is Tuesday, November the 22nd, and on today's Tours with Leslie, I'm so excited. I have my very first guest. Yay! The wonderful and talented Sandra Ens from my office, Remax Select Properties. Now, Sandra, how long have you been with our Remax family?
Remax family is over 11 years.
Because I remember you were probably one of the very first agents that I ever even spoke to. I think you were at the Main Street office when I first started.
Correct.
The Main Street office.
That's right.
And I really appreciated your just being so open, and I find it's interesting because real estate is technically, it's a competitive industry.
Yes, it is.
But so many agents are so helpful and want to see us all succeed, and I don't ever feel competition with you.
Thank you. I don't feel the same way either. It's just nice to be able to work together with people and go look at properties on tour.
I know.
I'm so excited to be on Tours with Leslie.
First up on Tours with Leslie, Unit 101, 5615 Hampton Place. It is listed for $1,050,000, is 1,383 square feet, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, listed by Remax Select Properties and the Kavanagh Group. All right, here we go. This is a lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This is going to be your primary bedroom. It's got a great big ensuite, double sinks. The building was built in 1997. I think these sinks might be original, but I gotta say the porcelain on them, they almost look like a shell. Really nicely done. And you've got a big shower, big silver tub. Moving into here, quite a large room. I have to say this goes pretty deep back. We are on the ground floor, but it's situated at the back of the building, so you get quite a nice private space. Located in the Hampton little pocket at UBC. We're just on the east-hand side of UBC. This neighborhood is populated by professors, and there's a variety of people. A lot of space. The fact that this is a bit of an older building, 1997, is that they do have, they made them bigger back then. The building itself is in the process of getting amped up to have EV charging stations. This is a leasehold property. So last week we were at a leasehold property that was with the city of Vancouver. This one is with UBC and the Crown land. This is federal land, so it actually can't be sold in a freehold way. The leases on this one are until about, I think this one's probably 2080 or 20. They started out as 100-year leases. There's about 80 years left on the lease. Nice gas fireplace there. So it's a little bit different than the other leasehold properties. And if you've got more questions about that, I'd be happy to answer them. Oh, this is a cute little pocket. So if you wanted to open this up to sort of bring the two spaces together, I think you could do that. So we've been sitting here thinking about how you could modernize this space. And we noticed that you've got this see-through here. So the reality is there's a bulkhead up there, but this wall can likely be blown out. And then Sandra, you were saying something about, what would you do with this counter?
I would take this completely out. I would extend the kitchen, cabinetry, sinks, all the way down to here. So you have one big open space here.
Yeah.
As you said, definitely open up that wall so there's another pass through the dining room. then I would take this cabinet out because on the other side of this wall is a gas fireplace. And if you put a two-sided gas fireplace on, that would be really nice and cozy.
Yeah, so the idea is you'd have a two-sided gas fireplace here. Right here is where it's got it opened up into sort of the living dining, and this would be sort of like the dining area right here. And then this is all kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
There's so the thing about this place is there's just so much space and so much opportunity. And then you open it up in here, and then you've got that flow over there, and this is that fireplace we're talking about. And there's lots and lots of space here. And then if you still wanted to have like a formal dining, you have all of this space over here. Yeah, lots of opportunity with this home. Well, all right. You have to spend a little bit of money on it, but when you're looking at like 1,400 square feet at $1 million, price per square foot, you've got room. All right, let's go check out another listing. I do. Next up, 6507 Cypress Street, listed for $3,399,000, is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3,500 square foot home on an 8,300 square foot lot, listed by Dexter Realty, Ruthie, Sugarman, and Paige, Kraft. What a beautiful home. Nice big lot. You've got a 64 frontage, and it goes back 130 feet. And in the backyard, as we'll see, there's a beautiful in-ground pool. You can have so much fun entertaining. This living room, the heat in here is so warm on a gross, rainy day. These windows are so beautiful. Love it. It is a forced air heat system. So you've got a nice big furnace downstairs. It would be really easy to throw in a heat pump and air condition. Gorgeous, huge dining room. The house itself was originally built in 1928. And in 1997, they did a big electrical upgrade, and lots of upgrades have been done to the home. Windows were replaced in 97. The roof is only 8 years old. Kitchen appliances, a lot of this was done in 2018. And we put in a new cooktop just last year. I'm going to assume that this is induction. You gotta love the old character. Oh, you can see me in the reflection there. Beautiful little bathroom. It's a full bathroom on this level, which I really quite like. And you have a full bedroom on this level as well. There's so many little touches in this home that just bring back that old school character, like that light fixture. You've got a little walk-in closet here. Oh, closet / bar. Oh, it's deep. Look at all that space. What else can I tell you? The bathrooms were renovated in 1998. They had the back gate repaired in 2009. And on this level, we've got one more family room with another huge, beautiful fireplace. Let's go downstairs. All right, here we are down on this lower level. I'd say the ceiling height, 7 feet. Might not be having any basketball players over there. But still very comfortable, nice, cleanly finished. We're just below grade by a little bit, not fully. Oh, what a cute little space. You've got an electric fireplace there. And the mudroom. Definitely need a mudroom on a day like today. That's that pool out there. What a fun place. Little wine cellar. Got the laundry. They've done a really good job of maintaining that 1928 sort of old school feel, but still have it updated and not feel like it's that. All right, top floor we go. Up here on the bedroom level, we've got a very large room here. We're going to call this the primary. And when I was talking about sort of the old school finishes, it's things like this, like these crystal doorknobs. And just give such a cute little touch. And then we've got a big walk-in closet. Lots of space in here. You can tell they've opened up the rafters. Back in the day, this probably would have just been roof. So they've done some work to fix that up. And cute little bathroom, huge shower. And then we've got another bedroom over here. So just 2 bedrooms on this level. And you've got 1 bedroom on the main level and then 2 on the lower level. And these rooms are very large. All right, if you've got questions about how this home could be yours, give me a call today.
There's I don't know if you heard of Dave Ramsey. I'd never heard of him before either, but he's a major real estate investor in the US. And his mantra right now is like, you know what, this is the time to buy a house. You know, if interest rates go down, well then you just refinance.
Yeah.
Right? Like, but don't wait for interest rates to drop to buy something.
If you're waiting for the market to change to buy, then you'll be waiting forever.
As I know many people who have been in that situation.
Yeah. You either
make the decision or you don't.
Well, I always say to clients, they're like, well, when's the right time to buy? The right time to buy is when it's right for you.
I agree 150%. Just because market conditions and your neighbor's friend's second cousin wants removed gave you some real estate advice doesn't mean that's the right advice to get. What? No offense to your
These
neighbor's
people that have
friend's
never
second
gone to
cousin.
School, that don't watch listings every day, that don't come on. I mean, if you're watching Tours with Leslie, then you're getting some real estate news.
That's current. That's current and up to date. But yes.
Well, I'm so grateful, Sandra, for you joining me today.
Well, thanks for having me.
It's been fantastic, and we'll see you out there in the field.
Awesome.
All right. Bye, Leslie. Bye, everybody. Bye.